gorgeous. Oh my god, look at you. You're glowing. She's Shristi from Himachal.
Yes.
What's the place of the name?
Bilaspur.
Bilaspur.
Yeah.
And do you know where I am from?
Yes.
Where?
Manipuri.
Yeah, we were flatmates since 2014. We met in 2014 or 15. Yeah, we were together in Kochi.
You were my senior.
Yeah, I was it. Okay, I don't remember.
I remember.
And yeah, we just had some Manipuri food, and we are heading to one of the gym. They have some weightlifting competition. Yeah, and we will be meeting some Manipuri people as well. We're gonna cheer up Mr. Mark Milad. He's Egyptian. He's our friend. Yeah, I'll show you her back.
Excited.
Music, Black Midana. We're waiting in the front. See, kanano yengo? Who is she?
She is the one who
She's
invited
the one.
everyone.
Yeah.
This is your bag. Hello. Nang vlog nang video chúng tôi nó lại đi.
Is the guy. This is the guy. Show me here. We want to see. Of course.
Natin.
Come sa later.
Mahal mang kasi ang lazy yun eh.
Whether
Next athlete is Stanford, 76, the number on the bar for the same athlete. The duration in the warm-up area, 77 for Ahmed Al-Hashmi. Ahmed, the bar is loaded. Next one. Your next athlete is platform 76.
Barbell Club na sinba.
Barbell Club na sinba.
Barbell Club na sinba. Tingin ko ahamba tawag sa igi friend Mark Milat. So we come here to support him. Aduga they are going weight categories. They are starting with the 64 kg.
64 kg starting.
Starting with 70 kg underweight. So he's lifting 70 kg. The snatch. He's going to do snatch like three rounds ko. Aduga heaviest magi PR oduni ko. Personal record, and after that heavier weight mayam la ani. Then matung down to clean and jerk la ganin ko. Clean plus jerk.
Clean and jerk.
3 repetitions ko.
3 repetitions.
Okay, so we are here. There are so many activities. Gyms ki maning na Irada Gym.
Irada Gym ko eh.
Irada Gym in Barwa. Okay, let's guys cheer him up. Cheers. And
Cheers. Ashana, yay for
attempt at 87 for Nasser Al-Sulaiti. 87 remains the number on the bar for Nasser Al-Sulaiti as he follows himself on a 2-minute clock. Nasser, bar is loaded.
I'm careful.
That is a good look for Abdullah Al-Hashmi for his first attempt in the snatch.
Let's have a go, please.
At 90 kilos. Moving up bar by 5 for your next athlete. 95, the number on the bar for Abdullah Al-Hashmi. Cigarettes, following, si masasap din Thank you, males and 19 Milan. And last but not least, Abdullah Darwish. Alright, as we proceed to hand out certificates for all the athletes for their participation on platform today.
Yeah.
Thank you, Mark. In 67 category gold medal.
Mr. Mark Milad,
Yeah,
how do you feel now?
I feel great. I feel so much adrenaline rush. I made new number in the challenger. I'm so happy. I'm really proud of all of you guys to see you while lifting.
Okay,
Thank you very much.
Thank you for making us proud. And what motivates you to become a lifter?
I really like the sport. I'm into CrossFit for 5 years. And we don't have to forget to give the credit to these powerful, strong kids
Asha,
who helped me a lot.
the Manipuri lady. All right. It was so nice to see you lifting with your weight, and the weight that you are lifting is something so inspiring, and you feel like make me lift more water and more rice at home. It was so nice. But by profession, what do you do in Qatar?
I'm a civil engineer, I'm a project manager, I work in construction management.
Okay. And
So-
how often do you lift weights, and how often do you do CrossFit and gym in overall?
5 to 6 days a week. Minimum 5, maximum 6.
All right.
So at least I
So
have
you
one rest day.
prepared mentally, physically.
Yeah, of course. It's mentally more than physically.
Exactly.
Physically, it's just a habit.
Yeah.
But mental challenge is more challenging.
All right. So what would you like to give any kind of message to the people who are planning to be a lifter in the future, or to the beginner?
Okay, I'm just an amateur, since it's just a great honor to give this advice. But keep working out, move your body always. Put a target, set a target, and go on to achieve it.
Bravo, bravo. Thank you so much.
I'm so happy
Hope
that
to
you're
see
here
you soon.
today.
Thank you.
Yeah.
He's the one from the German. It was such a nice, easy, smooth lifting. The way you do is so different than others. How do you feel today, and how did you prepare for this Barbell Club?
Weightlifting.
Weightlifting?
Weightlifting.
Weightlifting, yeah.
Thank you. I'm very happy. Today it was my first six green steps, because I did a 3 green snatch and 3 green clean and jerk, and I had 2 PRs. Yeah, I'm very happy, and thank you. I was very excited to see you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, and I wish you the best in the future.
Thank you.
Yeah, I will be documenting this video on my YouTube channel. I am from the Northeast India, called Manipur, and the channel name is Atiya.
Okay.
Atiya means the sky. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Nice to meet you.
Thank you, gentlemen. Male, 81 kilo.
السلام عليكم. النهارده احنا في مسابقه رفع الاثقال. هي هنا بتتعمل تحت اسم Barbell Club. It's like episode every 3 months, I think, all through the year. النهارده احنا هنا to support our friends, and you should to join next time. انا دكتوره رشا سليمان، استشاري جراحه الانف والاذن والحنجره. Happy to see all of you, and happy to see you in Qatar.
MashaAllah, MashaAllah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Check if you